Good day everyone, welcome to MSTC online tutorial. So in this tutorial video I want to teach us how to solve cyclic permutation. Now what do we mean by a cyclic permutation? A cyclic permutation is a permutation that replaces n element cyclically. Now let's look at this. 1 map to 6, 6 map to what? 6 map to 1. So whenever you have a mapping that return back to where it started from, that is 1 map to 6, 6 map to 1, that's where you're going to stop. So this will be what? 1 6. Now let's check the next one. This is 2 5, 5 to what? So you write it one after the other. 2 map to 5, this will be 2 5, 5 map to what? 5 map to 3, and 3 map to what? 3 map to 2. So 3 has gone back to where it started from, 3 map to 2. That is how you leave that. Now it's when only one missing element here, that is 4 map to itself. Whenever a number map to itself, you leave it, you won't write it here. So now let's look at this. We solve the problem before us. Once we understood that example, now let's solve this. Now before you start, check your highest number of the highest number in your permutation. The highest number here is 8, but if you are told the degree, you will see it there. The degree will be 8 because the highest number here is 8. So I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now I'm in S8. So now let's write out the answer for set A. Now look at this. For 1, check, do you have 1 here? Yes. 1 map to what? The last one will always map to the what? First. 1 map to 5. Check 5 here. 5 map to what? 6. Do you have 6 here? No. That means 1 map to what? 6. Now check this. For 2, do you have 2 in this bracket? No. Do you have 2 in this bracket? Yes. 2 map to 5. 2 map to 5. Check this bracket. Do you have 5? No. That means 2 map to what? 5. This bracket. Now we are looking for 3. Do we have 3 in this bracket? No. 3 is here. So 3 map to what? Don't forget the first one, the last one will always map to the what? First one. That is 3 map to what? 1. 3 map to 1. Do we have 1 in this bracket? Yes. 1 is here as the last number. It will map to the what? The first. That means 3 maps to what? 8. Now look at this. For 4, do we have 4 in this bracket? No. Do we have 4 in this bracket? No. Do we have 4 in this bracket? No. That means 4 map to itself, like I earlier explained. Now what about 5? Do we have 5 here? Yes. 5 map to what? 8. Do we have 8 here? No. Do we have 8 here? Yes. 8 map to what? 3. That means 5 map to what? 3. Now 6. Do we have 6? No. Do we have 6? Yes. 6 map to what? 6 map to 3. Do we have 3 in this bracket? Yes. 3 map to what? 2. That means 6 map to what? 2. Now what about 7? Do you have 7 here? No. Do you have 7 here? No. Do you have 7 here? Yes. 7 map to what? 7 map to 1. 7 map to 1, because there's no any other bracket that we can check if we have 1 there. So the last one, 8. 8 is here. 8 map to what? 1. Do we have 1 here? Yes. 1 map to what? 2. Do we have 2 here? Yes. 2 map to what? 7. That means 8 map to 7. And that is the final answer. Now let us look at A inverse. To do that in less than 10 seconds. Now just write your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now here, 1 map to 6. The inverse will be that 6 will map to 1. 6 will map to 1. 2 map to 5. The inverse will be 5 map to what? 2. 3 map to 8. The inverse will be excuse me. The inverse will be what? 8 map to 3. 8 map to 3. 4 map to 4 is still 4 map to 4. 5 map to 3 will be 3 map to what? 5. 6 map to 2 will be 2 map to 6. 2 map to 6. 7 map to 1 will be what? 1 map to 7. And 7 map to 8. 7 map to 8 will be 8 map to 8 map to 7. Sorry, 8 map to 7 will be what? 7 map to 8. And that is how to find inverse. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you share, subscribe, and like.